You can see here that the glass has been installed at the main entrance.
Welcome back to another Ohio's First Buc-ee's construction update. We are in Huber Heights, Ohio, and today is Friday, October 17th, 2025.
We're standing across the street from what will be the entrance to the new Buc-ee's at the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235. We're down here on a Friday night because we have to work tomorrow, and the weather forecast is for a lot of rain on Sunday, so we thought this might be our best opportunity to get down here. Weather's starting to take a turn on us. It's a little bit cooler today, overcast. Looks like it could rain, but it didn't while we were flying the drone. If you're new to the channel, we'd like to say thanks for clicking on our video. I'm Ron and this is Sonia. We're known as Follow the Arrows. We've been doing Buc-ee's construction update videos in Ohio here since November of 2023, when this site back here behind us was nothing more than an empty field. We've got over 60 videos in our library for Buc-ee's. If you're new here, go back and check out some of the older videos and you can see all the progress that's been made since they started. We plan to stay here until the grand opening. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates, and you stick around with us for the grand opening, which is supposed to be in April of 2026. When this store is done, it's going to be 74,000 square feet. It's going to have at least 100 gas pumps. So it's going to be one of the larger Buc-ee's. So if you are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and we hope that you'll subscribe and follow along for all the Buc-ee's construction update videos all the way to the grand opening. Like we always say, don't forget we make other videos too, so go ahead and check them out. Everywhere you look out there, you see a little more progress from the week before. The fuel pump islands, the north fuel pump islands, made a lot of progress on the facade for that island. And there's something about the entrance too, and Sonia's going to tell us about that.
We have glass at the entrance now. It's got X's on it so you can tell the glass has been installed.
Yeah, so they're making some progress on the building. I'm sure there's a lot of progress that's been made inside the building, but we haven't yet got that phone call yet from the construction company to invite us in for the tour, but we're still waiting.
Maybe. Be a kind gesture.
Another notable update is the island that they installed at the end of Arts Road, where it meets State Route 235. The island has been removed. So we're going to walk over there and show you that in a minute. The guardrail that was flattened is still flattened. Next Saturday, we're going to be at the Caramel Apple Festival in Fairborn, Ohio. That's located at 2910 Trabine Road in Fairborn, Ohio. It'll be part of the Hunger Days food truck rally. So if you're in the area, come by and check us out. We'll be there from noon to 7. Doing what, Sonia? Selling
mini donuts. Gourmet mini donuts.
If you're in the area, stop by and say hi. We'd love to meet you. Okay, last week we showed you that the construction management team left us a note. And Sonia's pointing out right now, that note is no longer there.
Just remnants of staples and a little piece of paper.
Now, one thing that we noticed today that we didn't notice last week, and it may have been here and it may not have been here, but we're going to take a walk along this smashed guardrail. And last week we didn't notice this sign over here. It may have been here and it may not have been here, but there is another attention YouTuber sign, and we're not going to read it like we did last week, but and I don't think I'll put a sticker on this one. But anyhow, I'm not sure if this was here last week or not. But anyhow, it's here today, so we'll keep an eye on it. This is the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235. You can see the island that they installed a while back has now been removed. Now my guess as to why they removed the island is there's now an island in the center of State Route 235 that will prevent any left-hand turns. So my guess is that's probably one of the reasons it's been removed, and with no island there, it will make it easier for a truck to make a right-hand turn if they are coming down Arts Road. Hopefully it didn't spend too much money on the island. It didn't have a very long lifespan here. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that hype button so we can get pushed out to some more subscribers.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the retail store. You can see the sidewalk has been poured on the south side of the building, but they still have the brickwork to complete. Looking at the front of the building, still no indication as to which side the Buc-ee statue will be located. Around the back of the building, you see the work progresses on the loading dock area. Here on the north side, and especially on the back portion of the property, you can see where the grass is starting to grow in the areas that they recently completed. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. This is State Route 235. You can see some of the road improvements that are taking place here.